Welcome to Plainview 3, everyone. Behind me is Plainview 2, and the last time we were here, and I implore you, please go back in my YouTube channel and watch First Time Inside Plainview 3, because you will truly not appreciate the intensive renovation that took place here until you go back and see that original episode. But we've sold this house across the street, they've paved the road, we hooked up our gas, sewer, and water before the moratorium started, and today I'm gonna bring you inside Plainview 3. This home is still available. It's one of the best values for a new home in Plainview. We're gonna go inside, I'm gonna show you the finishes, and in typical Pinnacle fashion, no stone was left unturned, and this home is ready to move in and enjoy starting today. People think sometimes that it's tougher to knock down a house and start new, but in my experience, it's more time consuming and more expensive per square foot to get a build from what it was before to what this is now without actually knocking down and starting over fresh. So before we go inside, let me give you a rough picture of what exactly we did here. So this was an original spec build colonial, built probably in the late 50s, and it was a very odd design. So what we did was we ripped off the entire roof, ripped off the existing covered porch, and reframed the entire second floor. New roof rafters, new ceiling joists. We shored up all the existing walls. We did a new structural beam in the middle of the house. We did new window headers, new door headers, and every single bit of mechanicals, electric, plumbing, HVAC was all ripped out 100% and done brand new. We ran a new gas line from the street, new water line. There's absolutely nothing you have to do, and truly the only difference between new construction and reconstruction in this case would be a deeper basement and higher taxes. So let's go inside. Let me explain to you how this differs from new construction, what exactly we did here, and how this could be your next home. A lot of buyers are caught up on square footage and lot size, and while this home is a good size, it's 4 beds, 2.5 baths with 2,300 square feet of living space plus a finished basement. It's not a monstrosity. It's not going to come with a $25,000 tax bill like a house across the street, but it's got all the bells and whistles, and every square foot was thoughtfully executed. From this front covered porch, which is just stunning with the recessed lighting and this hanging fixture. This is a great place to hang out and have a cup of coffee in the morning. And as you make your way inside, you'll see more of the same. I am so happy with the way this home came out. And as you walk around, we'll show you just how beautifully every detail was executed. We've got a coat closet right here. Of course, all our closets come with lights, and we're gonna get a shelf and pole installed in all these closets and some shower doors. We're not 100% done yet. So right now, we're standing in a large living room. This is over 20 feet long. And this wall would be your TV wall, your feature wall. We ran gas in case someone wanted to do a built-in fireplace. And as we come through this way, we've got our formal dining room. Once again, we used our Pella vinyl windows, and every single window, door, siding, trim, gutter, soffits, this entire house was stripped down to the structure and rebuilt back up again. Living room, dining room behind us, eat-in kitchen, and I wasn't able to squeeze in an island with where this bearing wall was, so we did the next best thing. I did this knee wall here with a cap and seating underneath, so you've got that island feel, that inclusive feel when you're in the kitchen entertaining. And if you have a larger gathering, of course you could use the dining room, but I'm obsessed with this kitchen. I love the Carrera Marmee countertops, the white Fabi wood cabinets, and this rough edge kind of subway tile really adds a nice dimension, a little bit of a rustic feel. We did the same setup across the street. It was wildly popular, and as they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So this kitchen, living, dining room leads to a powder room right here, which I'm really obsessed with. You'll recognize this powder room in another future build coming up. I loved the tile combo, so I used it again. And this room right here is a huge family room. We put a double closet over there. This double closet's gonna get shelves in the middle and hanging space, so whether you're using it as toy storage, more pantry space, or for your winter coats, this closet is huge and it's gonna come fully trimmed out. And of course, there's lights inside. We pre-wired for TV and internet, and this room has tons of natural light. If I shut these lights off, you would hardly notice. We'll get to the backyard a little bit later, but these sliders go out to the backyard. It's 100% complete, and from day one, you're gonna get entertaining space that's usable. I see a lot of new constructions with no fence, no patio, no sprinklers, no sod. when you move in, you're gonna spend another 20, 30 grand just to enjoy the space. So that's been 100% completed. I'll take you guys outside in a little bit. And right now, we'll make our way upstairs and check out the finished basement after. As we make our way upstairs, we're gonna have 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a very generous laundry room. And once again, most buyers, one of the first things that catches their eye is how nice these floors come out. These are Cumberland oak floors, one of the best mills in the country, and we use Duraseal stain. Jacobine is the color, and quite frankly, the only way you're going to achieve such a nice flat floor like this is controlling your humidity before the wood floors are brought in and making sure that that stays consistent throughout the install. You got to let the wood floors acclimate, and once the subfloor and the hardwood floors reach a similar humidity point and it's low enough, you can install them and never worry about them cupping or warping or anything like that. So as we make our way up, we've got a full bath for the kids with a nice 48-inch vanity, toilet, subway tiled shower, and this very generous laundry room. I actually left some space here to do built-ins, cabinetry, a folding table, whatever you want. There's space here for it. I ran an outlet already, so you can do a backsplash, do cabinets up top and on the bottom, and it's a wonderful way to customize your home once you're in here. This way we've got a very large bedroom, and again, if you go back to the episode, first time in Plainview 3, there was no bedroom here. This was a very odd second floor, very poorly used space, and I actually said at the time, there's gonna be a bathroom here, a laundry here, and a bedroom here, and I think we did exactly as we said, and if you go back, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And of course, all the bedrooms have hi-hats, crown moldings, base molding, shoe molding, solid doors in all the bedrooms and bathrooms. We used a really nice handrail, and some of these rooms actually have 2 closets. This one's got 2 closets here. Not the biggest room, but always one of the bedrooms is gonna be a little bit smaller. So this is that bedroom. We've got a linen closet here, another very nice sized bedroom over here, and right this way is the master. And in this master bedroom, we've got 2 closets, large windows, lots of natural light. One closet is over there, one closet is right here, and we've got a full bath where we're gonna be installing a hinged shower door. The door is gonna be here, the fixed panel is gonna be here, and this is a very large and comfortable shower. You're not gonna be banging your elbows around in here. We didn't use a prefabricated shower base. This is a custom tiled shower with quartz curb, and you've got the Kohler handheld, the shower head, and because these are Kohler guts, you can always change these out for something fancier in the future. But in my opinion, this is a pretty substantial package and more than most builders would include. Now let's make our way downstairs to what's normally not included in a new construction, and that is a finished basement. Perfect place for the kids to play or to have your movie theater, additional entertaining space, whatever it may be. We also allocated some space for a full bath, and no stone was left unturned here. Once we get down, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this basement is fully tiled. New plumbing, new electric, new sheetrock. It's heated and cooled. And as you follow me right this way, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, send me a message, leave a comment, and I'll send you the video. But we actually chopped the whole basement floor all the way to the house trap. We ripped everything up. We cut out all the old plumbing, and we ran new cast iron below ground and left you plumbing for a bathroom, and made sure that no matter what happened to that old plumbing over the last 60 or 70 years, it's just not your problem. We're gonna make sure that you're never gonna have issues. And imagine having to chop this floor later on to accommodate for a bathroom. That would just be a nightmare. So while we were here, we ripped down all the old sheetrock, we opened everything back up, and once again, I implore you, please go back and see what this basement looked like before we started. We waterproofed the walls with dry lock paint, framed, insulated, closed the walls back up again, and every single thing that you see here was done by the same craftsman that was upstairs. So it's not like we brought a different group of guys in here and did a low quality job. This basement is tight. I'm really happy with the tile, the paint, the finishes, and it feels very light and bright for a basement that's only 700 square feet. This room right here is our utility space. It's fully tiled. It's pretty clean, so you can come inside here with me. As this is what I was talking about, I dry locked the walls. I gotta put some trim around here and clean this up, but you've got your hot water heater, your furnace, your electric panel. These are all your low voltage wires for your internet, your TV, and your security cameras, and you've got a sprinkler clock down here. How many guys are gonna tile the floor of a utility space? Not too many. Not too many. Now, last but not least, we've got this basement entrance, which is crucial for most of our buyers. And we didn't have the space to run the stairs straight up along the side. So what we did was we turned it, and in effect, you basically get this nice landing instead of a long run of steps going straight up. And this backyard's 100% complete. It's ready to enjoy. You've got PVC fence, sprinklers, sod, a patio. I even dropped some wires for security cameras. And from the very first day that you move in here, you just drop your furniture down on the patio and you just start living your life. You don't have to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 finishing your backyard. I just can't believe the weather. It's not even close to spring yet. It's almost 60 degrees and we're out here enjoying the breeze on this beautiful afternoon. I want to thank all of you for watching this video. This was the full tour of Plainview 3. If you're interested in this property or any of my upcoming builds in Hicksville, North Belmore, or Plainview, if you're interested in buying or selling real estate in Long Island, you already know who you should be calling. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and have a great day.